Welcome to Guru Beauty. I am Jodie, sharing with you another beauty haul. I've picked up a couple of holiday items here and there. I've been sent a few items. I've also purchased quite a few NARS items from Mecca Maxima, Lush, Tarte, Priceline. The list goes on. So without any further ado, this is something that I've been wanting to get my hands on ever since I saw it was available. It is from NYX and I bought this one on feelunique.com. My lord, it took about 3 weeks at least to get to me in Western Australia from the UK. But this is the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. Have not tried that one yet, but really excited to give that one a try. I have also succumbed, I mentioned this one in my October favorites. This is something that I really had to make quite an effort to hunt down and find. This is the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. This one many people from YouTube have raved about and I'm really looking forward to giving it a try. I have tried various texture sprays. Salt sprays just don't really do it for me and my hair, which is fairly fine. It just kind of goes frizzy and I don't know, it's not a nice texture. Looking forward to seeing how the Oribe goes. 57 Australian dollars a pop though, so it had better be good. I am really hoping. I have been sent this self-tanning product from Australis. Actually, I was sent it from Beauty Directory. I do various reviews for them and their review panel. The Australis Rapid Tan Chocolate Mousse Self-Tanning. They claim streak-free chocolate base self-tan. Customize your tan for your skin tone and go as dark as you like. So they say that this one you can rinse in an hour for a light tan, rinse in 2 hours for a medium tan, rinse in 3 hours for a darker tan. I did leave this one first go overnight. It was quite a deep tan. There's nothing orangey about it. I did notice quite a strong self-tan smell. I've seen other reviews from people that claim that it has a chocolatey smell. I noticed nothing chocolatey about it. It's a mousse, which is nice and easy to use. And the other thing I was sent to review at the same time was a pack of 3 gloves, 3 mitts that Australis makes. This is out at Priceline now. I have seen it in store. But they come with, first of all, an exfoliating mitt. This is all in the one pack, the 3 mitts. An exfoliating mitt, which is great, perfect for before your tan or if you're wanting to tone down a tan afterwards. Then they also have 2 different little tanning mitts. This is unlike your, Saint-Tropez type gloves. This is more almost like wetsuit type material. It is very soft when you're applying the tanner. One of the things I didn't like about it was that the tanner actually came through the glove and stained my hand, which I really did not appreciate. I don't think I've ever had that with a self-tanning mitt before. The third glove that they sell in the mitt trio is just the same as the body one, so very much like a wetsuit material type sponge, and it's this big. So this is meant to be designed for your face. Some organic products from Inoxa, Australian brand Inoxa, available at Priceline. They've sent me an Inoxa Organic Nourishing Hand Cream. This one is enriched with organic aloe vera, coconut oil, cocoa and shea butter, and also an Inoxa Organic Purifying Facial Scrub. So looking forward to giving those a try and seeing what I think. And then also something from Nude by Nature. It's a blush and bronzer palette. It's got the pressed matte bronzer and cashmere pressed blush. It does look quite orangey, but when I actually applied it, it didn't look too bad on the skin. I was quite surprised. They are both matte. That's how they look on my hand. These are 100% naturally derived, paraben, talc and bismuth free, native kiamai extract and kakadu plum, Australian owned, animal cruelty free and fragrance free. And they also sent me a brush to apply those with. So a little angled blush brush and then a more standard domed blush brush. I really quite liked it actually. This Bronzed Beauty set retails for $39.95. I think it is limited edition, part of the Holiday 2015 collection. I know that all of those sets are out in Priceline right now. I've seen them for myself, so do go and check those out. Last product that I was sent is from TG Bedhead. Now they have quite a few different sets out right now which are fantastic for the holidays. I think that this is a really good opportunity just to try some products that maybe normally the recipient would not have tried on their own. The set that I was sent is called the Party Girl High on Shine Haute Brilliance set, and it contains 3 products. First up, we've got the After Party Smoothing Cream. What they say is to apply that into your hands and distribute evenly through your towel dried hair. Then you can also apply After Party onto dry hair to remove frizz and flyaways. Then you've got a shine spray here in the middle called Head Rush. You can just spray it through the hair to create intense shine, I guess when your hair is dry. This blue can is the Masterpiece Massive Shine Hairspray, and this one you hold at arm's length, spray it throughout for a flexible hold. So you've got a couple of things for smoothing, you've got something for shine, something for a shiny hold as well. Please let me know if you've tried any of these products. I would love to hear what your thoughts were. I did make my way into a Lush store just to nosy about the holiday collections that are out right now, and I ended up purchasing an oldie but a goodie. I love this shampoo, and I've been out of it for a little while, and it was time that we were reunited. This is the Lush Cosmetics Big Sea Salt Shampoo. It smells like a margarita. It's really salty. It creates a lot of volume and texture. It feels very much like a clarifying shampoo. When you use it in your hair and against your scalp, it just feels like you're getting any kind of build-up out of your hair. It smells refreshing and delightful. I thoroughly recommend Big Shampoo, and really glad to have this one back in my shower again. I've also made a couple of trips to Mecca Maxima and Mecca Cosmetica recently. These two products actually made it into my favorites this month, but I haven't even had a chance to show them to you in a haul. This is a Glam Glow Flash Mud Brightening Treatment. So another Glam Glow mask. This one smells fantastic. It certainly is brightening. I really love it, and would thoroughly recommend it. And then the other Glam Glow product that is new to Mecca is the Glam Glow Power Cleanse Daily Jewel Cleanser. And again, this made it into my October monthly favorites. What I usually do in the evening to take off my makeup and cleanse my face is to first of all use a cleansing oil, and then following up with a cleanser. It just gets everything off. This makes the dual cleansing method back into a one-step process. It has two little pumps on the top. You've got one side with cleansing mud that turns to foam, and one side with cleansing oil, and you basically just mix them together. Because you've got two pumps, you can adjust how much of each you put in your hand. I just do equal. I do about 4 or 5 pumps of each into my hand. I mix it together on my fingertips, and then just like I would a cleansing oil, I just massage it all over my face. I start emulsifying with water. I add a little bit more water, continue emulsifying. It gets everything off in one step. It's really fantastic. Again, it smells lovely. I love it. I recommend it. I've been to Mecca Cosmetica and Mecca Maxima hunting down some of the new NARS products. I've picked up a few items from the NARS Stephen Klein collection. First up, we have this one here. This is the Stephen Klein Dead of Summer Dual Intensity Eyeshadow Palette. It contains the shades Studley, Stag Film, Subra and Blackmail. The dual intensity eyeshadows can be used wet and dry. I am wearing this on my lids today. I find that I don't know, you don't want to wear too many of these colours at once. I have put all of these colours on my eyes today, and I feel like it might just, you know, you lose the intensity. I think when you start wearing multiple colours of these dual intensities, really 1 or 2 at a time on your face is plenty. It also comes with a larger than life long wear eyeliner pencil, the Via Veneto, and that is the black. I'm mixed on whether I would recommend this one to you or not. I do like the dual intensity eyeshadows, but I don't know about that one. I did also pick up from the Stephen Klein collection a new dual intensity blush in Vengeful. These also, like the eyeshadows, can be applied wet or dry. They are spectacular. Wet, spectacular. I've done a video with all of the other dual intensity blushes that are part of their permanent line, showing cheek swatches of all of these products going on, and really excited to add Vengeful to the collection. Another Stephen Klein product I have picked up, this is the one that made me rush to the store the day that it was launched. This is the One Shocking Moment Cheek Studio palette from the Stephen Klein collection, and what we've got in here is the standard Laguna bronzer, a real cult product from NARS, of course. We've also got the contouring blush duo Paloma, a nice shade for not only your cheeks but also your eyes, a nice sort of blending out shade there. The highlight is pretty much matched to my skin tone. There's nothing shimmery about it. So it's a real sort of subtle highlight shade, I would say. And then you've got 4 blushes to choose from. I'm wearing a combination of 3 of these more pinker, mauvey shades today on my cheeks. I do really quite like this palette. I think it retails for 100 Australian dollars from Mecca. And of course, many of you are trying to decide, do I spend the money on the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit palette, which is out on November 10th, or do I spend the money on this? If I had to choose between the two, if you don't own any Hourglass Ambient Lighting powders or already that are in that palette, I would recommend the Hourglass. This is a nice one from NARS too. If you're looking to buy a gift for someone, I think either of them are absolutely lovely ideas. Also, what I'm wearing on my lips today, 2 new lip liners from NARS, new to me at least. One is the NARS Velvet Lip Liner in the shade El Agua. This is like a pinky purple shade. It's a really pretty shade. I love it. It does go on like velvet. It goes on very, very nicely and easily to your lips. I put that all over my lips today. And then I just did the sort of edges, outer corners with the NARS Lip Liner in Marni. Marni, unlike the El Agua, is not a mechanical pencil. I do need to sharpen that one. But you can see it just really complements the El Agua very, very nicely. It's a nice defining shade. The last product I've picked up from the NARS Stephen Klein collection is this little single shadow. It's in the shade Stud. I'm yet to actually wear this one on my eyes, but this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful sort of shimmery, glittery, taupey shade. Absolutely stunning. Really looking forward to wearing that one. It's like a silvery, mushroomy taupe. Lots of reflection on it. Really, really pretty. Just before I head over to my Priceline odds and ends, I have one more product to share with you. This is something that a friend of mine, her mother, who recently went to the United States, brought back for me. God bless her. I resigned myself to not getting my hands on this one this year, but it was meant to be, and this is a holiday 2015 palette from Tarte. A lot of Tarte products are online already on sephora.com.au, so go and check it out. And this one may be coming when they release their holiday stuff. This is the Tarte High Performance Naturals. No, Tarte Holidays. This one has a lot of different names on the packet, but I know that it is called the Light of the Party palette. I am really excited to have this in my collection. 24 varying shades from Tarte of eyeshadow. You've got mattes in there, you've got shimmers, a beautiful combination of neutral and purpley plum colours. Really excited to dig into that. We've also got a Lights Camera Action Lashes mascara. We've got a dual ended brush. We've got a fluffy domed end and a more precise domed eyeshadow brush. And then there's also an additional palette here in the top of the palette. What this reveals when you flip that open is a couple of the Amazonian clay powder blushes, something called Social Butterfly, which you could use as a bronzer, and then also the shade Amazed, a really nice blush. We've got something that looks like a face highlighter called Pink Champagne, and then another 6 eyeshadow shades, some matte, 1 or 2 shimmers here. Really excited to have this eyeshadow palette. Thank you, Fiorella, and thank you, Mrs. Fiorella's mum. Really, really lovely and thoughtful of you to go to the effort of bringing that back for me. Finally, I've been to Priceline. This was something that one of you told me about when I did talk about the Orbe Dry Texturizing Spray in my October favourites. One of you let me know that Sharon Farrell, the lovely Sharon Farrell, one of my favourites here in Australia, has recently recommended the Tresemme Perfectly Undone Ultra Brushable Hairspray, saying that it was the closest thing to an Orbe Dry Texturizing Spray dupe. I'm really looking forward to giving this one a try and just comparing and contrasting and seeing how that one performs. I'm always up for an affordable drugstore dupe. I also repurchased the Olay Miracle Boost Youth Pre-Essence. I ran out of this a little while ago. I've probably been without it for a month. I recently reintroduced the Miracle Boost Youth Pre-Essence back into my routine, and the difference in my skin was pretty much overnight. Now I have I've done a sponsored video review of the Olay Miracle Duo. This is not a sponsored video. I've just got to say that the Olay Regenerist Miracle Boost Youth Pre-Essence is amazing. It looks hydrated, it looks smoother, it looks brighter. I love this product. Full price from Priceline. That's how much I love it. That is everything that I have picked up that I wanted to let you know about recently. I hope that you enjoyed. Have yourself a gorgeous day. Please don't forget, you are beautiful. You really are, inside and out. And you know, it is one thing to look it, but make sure you be it. It really is so much more important. I will see you again really, really soon. Bye.